guys, as you know, nag-maternity shoot kami ni Mosh. So guys, as you know, nitong nakaraang linggo ay nag-maternity shoot kami ni Mosh. At syempre, hindi ko pinalampas na subukan ang bagong flagship phone ng Honor na Honor 200.
Subukan natin yan mamaya.
And guys, it captured all the details that I am looking for in a camera phone. Did you know that it costs 120,000 per portrait session at Harcourt Studio Paris? But with Honor 200, it's free. Speaking of free, you'll get a free JBL Soundgear frame worth 9,499. Grab it now because pre-order only lasts until July 26th. As promised, here are some of the snaps from Honor 200. We use the Harcourt Mode Classic for black and white photos. Still can't believe that these photos are taken using the Honor 200. Grab yours now and capture special moments like this starting at 24,999.